Well, when I started this business, I made a commitment to myself that, you're going to do this by just being true to yourself and helping people. Hi, I'm Wayne Boothe at Boothe's Heating, Air Conditioning, and Plumbing in Hollywood, Maryland. Never dreamed it would be this big. My vision was just to try to build a great business where folks would love to come to work. And with that, their customers just grew us.
So I do sales for the company. I'm one of multiple guys doing sales in the company. I have memories back to probably under 10 years old, working with my dad on the weekends, being out of school. I remember being a little kid, driving in the truck with him, going to calls on Saturdays.
I made it really clear with my sons and my daughter, early on that, if you're going to be working in the business, that you got to do more than just pull your weight. And it's great to have your family working here with you every day.
Definitely is no slacking off being the son of an owner of a business. You do have to prove yourself, showing that you got the work ethic, showing that you're going to go the extra mile to make sure that everything is done the way it should be. Goes a long ways in earning the respect of everybody.
We enjoy each other's company day and night, so we get to work with each other. It's just really awesome for me. I lost my father at a young age. To be able to work with my kids, it's big.
We're all thankful to be able to work with one another and see each other every day. It's a blessing.
I got into business in 1993. Started the business part-time. My dad actually was in the business part-time, and I worked with him as a little boy. I actually watched him break sheet metal in tobacco barns. We're tobacco farmers here in Southern Maryland, and then my dad passed away. I started working with my uncle, and that's kind of how I took to the trade, kind of living what my dad did. I've always been somebody who's been close with my employees. I love my employees. They're like my family.
A small town, Southern Maryland, St. Mary's County. A lot of people know a lot of people, and I know Wayne's family growing up, and even though we're about 12 years apart, Wayne and I grew up in the same small town, and our personalities just went together, from that. It was like, man, I'm working with my friend here, and I'm on the same sheet of music he is, and we just took that and ran with it. My dad has been in the commercial fishing industry. I did that for 10 years while working at Boothe as we grew up through the business. And I would get up in the morning and go to work fishing, and then I would come to Boothe and I'd put my Boothe uniform on and I'd jump in a service truck. As Wayne grew the business, as I came on as the 4th or 5th employee, as a service tech, I took that work ethic from commercial fishing and I poured it into HVAC. All of a sudden, we hired another service tech, and we hired a install truck, and then we just kept doing it, and it transformed into the sales and into where we are today.
We switched to Rheem in 2018. We wanted a true partner. We haven't looked back. It's been great.
The decision to make the switch was not hard. The partnership that has come with Rheem is a true partnership. And even from Rheem's product support, the tech support, being there for our guys. If our guys are on call at 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening and they got a unit that we just installed yesterday and they need help on it, they got to be able to pick the phone up. And somebody was always at the other end of the phones.
Equipment itself is phenomenal. I put it in my home, so that just kind of shows the confidence that we have in the product as well. I have to have confidence in it. And if I'm going out there every single day and trying to, let somebody know, hey, this is a good solution for your home.
One thing that stays the same is change. If you're not, adapting to change and evolving, then you're going down. We're constantly training with Rheem on their latest and greatest products with their technology. They're always evolving as well.
Technology has just transformed so fast. Rheem is really on the cutting edge of that as far as communication goes and offering the best tools to the younger generation to be able to have the sustainability of the product to continue on with this technology.
We're very much in line with the training programs, and our managers know how important that is to keep the training flowing through. Finding technicians nowadays just walk through your door. Seasoned technicians, it's like finding a bar of gold in your parking lot. It's just not going to happen. So we train and pull in young, ambitious people, and that's how we're gathering our people now. We're growing our technicians, and it's been great.
So marketing is a strong tool in Boothe. It has been a big part of our success. Rheem have really stepped up with the marketing program that they brought along when we made the switch back in 2018. We have a full-time marketing person in-house. We run all kinds of campaigns, direct mailers, Facebook, our internet campaign, Google. It's just hand in hand. So we use Quick Comfort. It has been amazing. Quick Comfort has been amazing for us. 70% of our customers finance every single day, so that's a huge part of the package that comes with Rheem. We did it. We made the switch, and we just killed it ever since. And we couldn't have done it without great folks from Rheem.
This company has grown tremendously over the past 5 to 6 years, more than I think any of us ever expected. But when you do right by people, the rest falls into place. When you're doing right by people, the company continues to grow.
Culture has made Boothe succeed, and what Wayne, the passion that he has poured into this, and he has poured it into this business just like he would his family, and he treats each and every one of these employees and his customers just like his family.
He works harder than anybody I know. He's worked his butt off to be able to get to where he is today. I love what I'm doing. I love working alongside him, and it'd be an incredible feeling to have a little one alongside me as well one day.
A great day for me is to hear my employees say they bought their first house, or had their first child, or they got married, and they're doing it through this company. To be able to live their hopes and dreams through Boothes, and believe in our company, work for us every day. That's the most rewarding thing for me. And that's what it's all about. We're in the people business. We just happen to put in heating and air conditioning systems. We're in the people business.
A Friday night bonfire hanging out in a field. A couple buddies grab a drink in a fishing reel. Find an old dirt road no one knows. Tear it up until the rooster crows. Sunday mornings off for dressing up and going to church. Giving thanks to God for what life's worth. Roots run deeper than the county line. Tell me a story, I'll tell you mine.
Thank you.